Hi, my name is David Ginsberg, and as the facilitator of the Customer Experience Design, Delivery and Diagnosis program, I was thrilled by the incredible engagement during our inaugural session at Swinburne University. Participants really dove into the fundamentals of customer experience, or CX, created customer journey maps, and developed actionable plans to enhance the customer experience in their respective organizations. It was particularly rewarding to see Swinburne staff focus on real-life student interactions. The success of day one was inspiring, and I look forward to running it again later this year. The session is part of our 3-day Experience Excellence program, with day 2 focusing on employee experience, or EX, and day 3 integrating both CX and EX. If you're passionate about elevating your organization's customer and employee experiences, join us for this transformative journey. Secure your spot today by contacting us at cxi@swin.edu.au. That's cxi@swin.edu.edu.au. I really look forward to seeing you all there. Thank you.